So I bought some of these uppers for the TJ made by King, which I'd never heard of before, but they were much cheaper. They were about $60 Canadian. And they had to replace my old one of these, which obviously far outlived their usefulness. So there it is on. One thing I noticed right off the bat, now, which I did not see in the reviews, and I didn't notice it, it's not on the manufacturer website. They do not actually clip into the bottom. This is just a rubber seal on there. Yeah, so just wanted to state that again. So if you're looking at the ad for King for these uppers, it shows in the picture 100% that it clips underneath the rail just like it does on the factory ones, and in fact they actually state that in the description as well. However, as you can see, it does not clip in, so this is a 100% false advertisement, but I did not pursue in terms of returning them because I mean they're only $60 Canadian, and they for my purposes this is fine because I don't have those sides on very much unless I'm driving to the trail and it's all muddy, rainy out. Otherwise on the trail I always take them off anyway, so it does not matter to you, but just be aware that these do not clip into the rail on the door. It seems good. You can see it there. It seems to fit pretty flush on the back edge, front edge also. See, it's pretty good. Now the only thing I noticed inside as well is not familiar with all the different styles. I know there's different ones I've seen, and this one obviously the bar, the way they have the Velcro does not meet the bar on my particular one. So I don't know if these are not original with these doors and with this vehicle, so I don't know what they're off of, so maybe that might explain that. So what I would do in my case, I'll put a strip of Velcro straight onto the bar to hold it there. Just to hold it on there. Zipper works very nice though. Opens up. These have to be cut, they left them a bit longer. So, now one thing, when you put these on, if you do get them with the Velcro, when you put them on, you see it's, I don't pull it like right over like this. You can see how the front edge moves in. If you pull it right over and attach it, there's a gap in here, which is kind of hard to see in the video, but there is, you can see it to the inside because you're pulling the material in, which means you're pulling the, you can see it there, you can see the inside of the vehicle, because you're pulling it in and you're pulling the seal away from it. So you unzip this, you have it push the material out a bit and then velcro it together, and then it just doesn't get pulled in like this, it just stays out. Same with the back. Don't see any water on the inside. Let's look. Let's see, it's pretty good along there. That seems to do the trick. No water getting past the seal here. Oh, well, that's all we need. Well, that's it for today. Hopefully you will find this helpful, and don't forget to watch my other videos, lots of wheeling videos on my trails in Comox Valley and other places on the Vancouver Island. Thanks for watching.